Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclohub. In this video, we are discussing MBA in Banking and Finance, and the code number is MMPC 007 Business Communication. And before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing any help related to this course or other course too. If you need any consultant services, so you can contact us. We will provide all the services related to your questions. If you have any queries, so you can contact us. We will provide all the solutions regarding this. And this question number before and here you can see the number of 5 questions. If you need answers of these questions too, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on screen, which is 900-936-8238. And at this number you can call us and you can message us. Now the question number 1 is why it is important to use a proper language in communication. Discuss giving examples. The second one is what are the different zones of communication in Proxemics, explain. And the third one is list the features of a good application letter. Prepare an application letter for applying for job in a multinational organization. And the fourth one is a discuss different characteristics of a good report. And the fifth one is what is the role of values in communication, and explain with the help of examples. So as you can see here, there are the 5 questions here. If you need answer of these questions, so kindly call us, kindly message us on our WhatsApp. Any help related to this, you can call us. Thank you so much for watching this video.